Okay, so I got 3-quart bags, more than 3/4 of the way full of the repicante squash, and that was just the bulbous ends that I scraped all the seeds out of and cut up, put it through my food processor and shredded it. I will use that in sauces that I'm going to can or make to freeze dry this year. I will use that in zucchini bread, whatever I would use zucchini for. I've got 6 pounds of chicken breast, what do they call it? Tenderloins? Yeah. That I got at Sam's a while back. And I'm going to... Okay, sorry, I got interrupted. I don't know where we were at. 6 pounds of chicken tenderloins from Sam's that were in the freezer for a while, so I am going to go ahead and can those up before they freezer burn. And yesterday or the day before, I used some of that repicante squash and I made bread and butter pickles, dill pickles, and I just canned, I water bathed all of this. And I just water bathed this squash with a tablespoon of white vinegar so that I know it's acidic enough. I also have 4 pints of green beans I did this week. Of course, I got my pickles brewing, and I'm still trying to decide, am I going to make more pickles or am I going to make relish? I don't know. We don't really use much of either, and I have quite a bit of zucchini relish, which we really like, but I don't want to let those go to waste, and we really don't eat very many pickles, and I have quite a few, so I'm not sure. I just don't know. And then this is all pork that I bought on Wednesday from Harvest Market in Springfield. Had a sale. Pork loin, $1.49 a pound. That's the best I've seen it in a long time. I canned pork last week. I think it was $2.49 a pound. So I feel really good about this purchase. So I got 2 big tenderloins and I canned those. There are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19 pints of that. So it's been a pretty good week of preserving. So I think I'm going to sign off. I'm going to church tonight, so I want to get things done. I've still got to clean the nasty duck cage out. That's a daily thing. And I will see you guys in the next couple days on the next video. If you like this, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Comments are really important to YouTube, and I am trying to grow my channel. So that's it, guys. I love you. I'll see you soon. Mwah.